is what you call a breakfast on the go. Healthy, quick, American, organic, vegan, soy-based, plant-based, farm to table. I can't think of anything else. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. If you're new here, my name is Emery. I'm a senior at the University of Tennessee.
My name's Ben.
That's Ben. And I, but not him, am studying abroad in Scotland for 2 more days. Then I go home. So if you enjoyed this video, stick around, subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and turn on notifications so that you never miss an upload. Today we are still in Inverness. We're gonna head home in a little bit, but first we are at the Glen Ord Distillery, established...
The Singleton at Glen Ord Distillery, established 1838. We're going to do a tour, maybe a tasting. We've been wanting to do this for a while, and then we're gonna probably go back to that department store so that Benjamin can get kitted out. No, this is for others. We're buying gifts for others.
We're buying gifts for others, except I don't want to say that because the others that might be watching.
I'm buying gifts for others of mine.
I am not buying gifts for anyone else. Let's go drink some whiskey.
So you'll notice a different colour there. So we've just replaced that arm.
How long do these usually last?
About 15 years.
Okay. I'm sure they're not cheap to replace.
Well, you're talking about £100,000.
Found a Waterstones, which is like a really popular bookstore here in the UK, and well, I've never been to one before, but I could literally spend all day here. I really need to spend more time in bookstores because there's so much here. I want to start reading more. I genuinely cannot tell if this is supposed to be ironic or not. Okay, bye! I guess I didn't even update you guys, but after our whiskey distillery tour, we went back to the shop, the mall that we were at yesterday, and we had a pretty successful day of shopping, I guess.
It's in the trunk.
Well, our stuff is in the back. I got a hoodie. It's literally just a beige hoodie. You can imagine it. Ben got this jacket yesterday. I think I already pointed that out, but you got some joggers and a flannel. And
a turtleneck sweater.
A turtleneck, a black turtleneck. We're gonna have to be careful not to twin since I wear my black turtleneck every day. And a pair of plaid pants. And now we're gonna go get dinner. I think we're going to go back to the same pizza restaurant that we went to last night because it was so good.
It was good.
And when I was looking at their menu, I was having a hard time deciding because there were like 3 that I wanted to try. So I think I'm gonna try one of the other ones, and then we will finally be heading back to Aberdeen for the night. Tesco, we need to talk. What is going on here?
Multicolored fizzy belts.
Multicolored fizzy belts.
That's what I'm talking about.
What is Dolly Mix?
Totally tangy.
I hope this is named after Dolly Parton. Ew, that looks gross.
Dolly, you don't like grapes.
No, raspberry mushrooms. Hashtag Tesco haul.
Nope.
Yep. So we stopped in to get some unhealthy snacks for the road.
I don't know what you mean. Mine's pretty healthy.
What did you get? A cafe latte with hand-roasted Arabica beans from Nicaragua and Honduras with a chocolate twist. I really like how this comes in like an actual mug like that. Like it looks like a real to-go cup.
Hashtag
and then,
green and blacks.
That's what it's called? Green and Black's Velvet Edition Dark Chocolate Mint flavor. I got some milk bottles. I debated whether or not I wanted to get the shrimp and bananas, but I, you know, for some reason felt like passing on that. I don't know what flavor these are. They all seem to be the same. I also got some chocolate. I got dark milk, which I've always wanted to know what a chocolate that's in between milk and dark would taste like, because I like both. Like, I like dark chocolate, but sometimes it leaves that bitter aftertaste. So I'm excited to try this. And then last but not least, I got Walker's Mix-Ups spicy flavor, which comes with the French fries, Doritos, Wotsits, which are like basically a Cheeto, and Monster Munch. So Walker's, as you can tell, is the British version of Lay's. So I'm not going to try all of these at once, but I kind of wanted to just get a sampling since I don't have much time left to sample things.
You got chips, huh?
I got chips.
Wow.
Surprise, surprise. Hello everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. I will admit that I have gotten a little bit lazy with my Vlogmasing over the past few days. It's obviously December 14th today, and the last video that I uploaded was Vlogmas Day 10 on the, I guess, the 12th. If you watched some of my earlier vlogs this month when I was talking about how we were going like to the Highlands and doing this trip, and I said that we would be out of service for a while, that's part of the reason, is because we like didn't have good service to upload, but also it is very hard to, you know, like do a road trip and enjoy seeing the sights, spending time with your significant other, also while trying to edit and still getting a good night's sleep. Most nights I was staying up till like 2 or 3 editing. Towards the last 2 nights of the trip I was like, I can't do this anymore, like this just isn't healthy. So I haven't edited those videos, and today the reason that I'm in the car actually is because we're going to get a plastic storage container so that I can use it as like a third suitcase to like put all the extra clothes that I've bought and souvenirs and stuff in and mail that home. So today and tomorrow I will be packing everything up and getting ready to go home, and I plan to hopefully like catch up on editing on the plane. I'm gonna feel like such a YouTuber, and then hopefully we'll be, you know, back up to par. But I know it'll be after the fact that this video is going up, but if you guys have been wondering, that's why I look a little bald right now. But I actually got this hoodie in Inverness when we were there, and I only own one other hoodie, and it's the pink Glossier one that I brought, but I like cut it so it's cropped, and I wanted one that just like big and baggy and fit like this, so I really like it. And you know, of course it's beige. I love beige. But yeah, we're gonna run some errands, try to maybe get some other souvenirs for the family, so that we'll be ready to go. They have these boxes, but they're just kind of like flimsy. I still plan on like taping everything up, but I don't even know. I don't know if I want a clear one too. I'm afraid I don't really want people to like see what's in there. I'm just paranoid about people trying to steal my stuff. They have this one at Dunelm. It's definitely more durable. I think I'm gonna go with this. This is the riveting content that you guys are getting today. Oh really? I didn't even feel that one. I just assumed it would be really flimsy.
Still more so than the Asda one.
We have supplies. Okay, but how good does this look? I got the tandoori lamb burger, so it's actually lamb. There's like onion, mango chutney, and the white stuff actually isn't like sauce, it's mint yogurt, so it sounds really good. I got a side of fries and cauliflower wings, which had I known would be this big, I wouldn't have gotten fries, but I'm so excited to eat this. I'm so cold. Are you cold? I don't know why I'm cold. It's like not actually that cold out. We stopped in the North Face store because I want to, well, should I? No, I was wondering if my brother would be watching this, but he's not. I want to get a gift for my brother. I'm trying to decide between, definitely not the black. I kind of like the gray. I feel like he'd like the blue though. They also have a yellow. I think they're cool because obviously they say Aberdeen, but then they have the coordinates, but I think they said they have more sizes in this color in the back. Okay, I'm back at my place now. We're starting to make some progress. Ben took my desk. We're giving it to Elise, so that's going to a good home. I wish that I had been able to show it before the mailman came to pick it up, but I put my clothes in this huge plastic like storage container, and I wrapped it in tape, Then I wrapped it like so many times. I used 2 rolls of cling film. Then I taped that as reinforcement. As I was taping the label on, the guy came to pick it up. I wish I had known that he was gonna be here this early, but I've got like half my clothes now in the mail, and Ben is running some errands. He was like, are you sure that we're gonna need a 3rd suitcase? And I'm like, these jackets are all new. I'm like, I didn't bring these jackets with me. I mean, obviously they'll squish down since we're using the vacuum bags, but it is going to be tight. Luckily I saved the box that my sneakers came in, so I think I'm gonna put those back in there and add a few other things and maybe mail that as well. Okay, that's 1 vacuum bag. I have all of my coats and jackets in here. Let's see how much air we can get out. Bag number 2. Taking a quick lunch break. You know, actually, I ordered one of these kombuchas too, and I just realized they didn't bring it to the table. It's called Royal Flush, and it's I forgot what's even in it, but rhubarb and peach. I haven't had kombucha in so long. It's not really like a thing here, but I really miss it. Sorry, I have been the worst TM at vlogging today, but I've got all my stuff to take to Elise's and my returns still here. Ben's in the back seat.
Hey, Mom.
Taking my son to school. We ate, we made 1 return. We got a suitcase for Ben and for me to use, because Ben actually has been
used for extra stuff.
But Ben's been needing a new one anyway, and he got a pair of shoes. But now I have to drop off, you can't see, my box. Yeah, you can't see it at all. My box that's in the back seat at the post office, and do the rest of my returns, and then go back to the apartment. We are at the post office. Woohoo. Now at a sort of like Home Depot, because I want to make a copy of this key so that I can keep it. Okay, I was literally like the worst at vlogging ever for these days. I want to apologize for like all of the inconsistencies and just like gaps and stuff in this. Those days, packing everything up, and just like the past few days of our road trip, not even the road trip, I guess road trip, they were just like really stressful in a way. It was still like good, still fun, but it was just really hard to edit videos and everything, and like keep my life together at the same time. So I'm sorry. I want you guys to know that this isn't like my best work, and that I'm not really proud of it, but I still want to upload it, show it to you guys instead of just like not. Hopefully just like my regular week in my life will be better going forward than Vlogmas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this whole thing and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, turn on notifications so that you never miss an upload, leave me a comment, follow all my other social media down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching if you watched this, because I've just been kind of like cringing slash not cringing, shaking my head at myself and being like, come on, really, this whole time. So yeah, thank you. I really appreciate the support. Goodbye.